This is how to make titles in Premiere. So basically, once you have your movie completely edited, what I like to do is I like to move all of my clips at least 5 seconds from the beginning of the project. So you can see I'm kind of making this window bigger so I can see more time. And I'm moving this to about 5 seconds because you really don't want any more than a 5 second title. Okay, once you have that in, then what you're gonna do is double check, make sure everything moved. Go ahead and now you're gonna kind of put your titles in your black space. That means it'll have a black background. Go down to the type tool and then go ahead and just type in the project window your title. So I'm going to type Day at the Skate Park here. And it just so happens to be in the last color and font that I picked. So then I'm going to just kind of use it as a word processing program. But we have to make sure that this title goes all the way to 5 seconds. So grab the end of it and just make it bigger or longer. And then that should be the entire title for that 5 seconds. It's not going to move anywhere. It's just going to stay there. If you want to change where it is in the window, just go back to the selection tool. Make sure that you move it where you need it to be. Once you do that, then you're going to go up to the Windows window and you're going to open up the Effects Controls window. And that should pop up. And then go to Titles. Once you're in title, it should say Day at the Skate Park or whatever you type there. Then you can do some changing to your fonts. This is your fonts here. I just so happen to be on this one called Sign Painter. I think I'm going to change it to something a little bit different. I have some kind of interesting text in here. So we have one called Alice in Wonderland. That one's not going to work. So I think I'm going to do something a little bit more simple. Maybe we'll just stay with like Arial Black. It's kind of boring, but you know, you want your video to stand out. So then I'm going to adjust the size. I'm going to adjust where it is on the kind of on the screen. You can center it. You can left justify it. Everything that you can do at a word processor, you can do here. And then I think I want to change the color because I don't want orange. I'm going to go in and change it to something else, maybe something that is similar to the color that's in some of the video. So maybe I'll go with blue and I'll hit OK. And that's basically how you make basic titles inside of Premiere Pro.